If you don't feel like praying for yourself today, pray for your children. Pray for the friends they will choose. Pray for the people they will meet. Pray for the husband or wife they will marry. Pray for the family they will marry into. We live in a world where not everyone has good intentions. Some destinies have been delayed, damaged, or cut short because of wrong relationship and harmful influences. The Bible says, bad company corrupts good character. That God surrounds your children with godly friends, wise mentors, and people who will strengthen their faith. He who walks with the wise grows wise, but a companion of fools suffers harm. Pray for the future of your children and the home they will marry into. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it, and trust God with their future. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Don't stop praying for your children. Your prayers today can impact their tomorrow. Remain